This Nicpro 21-piece mechanical pencil set gives you a complete kit for sketching, drafting, and everyday notes. With multiple pencils, plenty of lead, and erasers all organized in one place. The 1.3mm lead size is excellent for bold, legible lines on wood, paper, and other rough surfaces, making it especially useful for carpenters, designers, and hobbyists. Each pencil has a solid metal and resin body that feels weighty without being tiring, so it holds up well on job sites and in outdoor conditions while still being comfortable for long sessions. The textured metal grip stays secure even when your hands are sweaty, gloved, or dusty, which makes these pencils far more dependable than smooth plastic models in real work environments. The included black and colored resin leads write smoothly and resist snapping, so you can press hard for clear marks without constantly stopping to reload broken pieces. A compact, genuine leather case with individual loops and pockets keeps the whole set protected and easy to carry, so it is simple to toss into a tool bag, backpack, or studio tote without losing anything.